Take your clay out of the bag and cut a 1-inch piece off your block of clay. Place your clay on a non-stick surface such as a piece of plywood or a paper grocery bag taped down. Since you don't have a rolling pin or guides to help you make a slab, you'll have to use just your hands. Flatten this block of clay to a 1/2 inch thick using the heel of your hand to start. Use your fingers to press from the center to the outer edges, thinning it down a little bit at a time. Lift and turn your slab frequently so that it doesn't stick to your surface. You're only pressing on one side of the clay. You are not flipping it over. Repeat this process until you have a slab that has been thinned down to 1/4 inch thick. Clearly, through this process, your clay will become textured with the organic marks of your fingerprints. Your slab should be 1/4 inch thick when you're done with this process. Clay works best under compression. One side of your slab was compressed by the pressing action of your fingers as you formed your slab. The other side still needs to be compressed by passing a smooth metal rib or blue rib over the surface. From this point on, you want your slab to stay nice and pliable. Be sure to store your slab on a piece of plastic so that it can stay moist while you work with it. Cover your slab with plastic to keep it pliable for the next steps.